Hi, YouTube friends. We're doing something a little bit different this month. We're doing a garden tour. You're going to see all of my epic failures, so hopefully you won't make them in your own gardens. Take a watch.
And the shoe is on the other foot now. Now it's my turn to complain about what kind of job you're doing on YouTube.
Okay, well, we've missed like a bunch of pictures so far. Do you want to stop?
Okay.
We're putting in roses.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty self-explanatory. I didn't think if I was talking over that, people wouldn't get that you were planting a rose.
Okay, thank you.
With Izzy Rose.
With Izzy Rose. Look at Izzy.
Namesake. Oh, yeah. She's a gardener.
She's such a gardener.
Farmer.
She is always helping me.
Yes, she is.
Yep.
So what are you doing here, pal?
Oh, look at that. Well, we're showing you it didn't work first because you made these beautiful planter beds and then we planted a bunch of flowers in them and they didn't work out.
We have hours of footage of what didn't work.
I don't think we have
Not
hours.
just for you, not for... I meant for everything. No, hours.
True. Okay.
Yeah.
So what happened was I actually, in the winter, planted some seeds in the house, in the garage, actually. I made a makeshift. What would you call it?
Our garage was a grow room.
It had a grow shelf.
Several of our police officer neighbors were like, what you growing in there?
It had
Like,
a grow shelf.
just
None of them.
celosias.
None of them.
Just celosias.
Miles
and
did not say
dahlias.
that. He did not say that.
Shout out to Mike and Miles.
Okay, so yes, we planted them. I planted them, and a lot of them actually had like a fungal issue because there wasn't enough circulation. So,
In that garage? No way. You mean our unvented garage that's 100 degrees?
So 3 months later, here it is now. However, everything that's in here was not what we planted at that time.
Some of what's in there.
Some of what's in there, yes. And then here's our pumpkin patch, because I wanted to start pumpkins this summer as well.
Yes, and you also wanted to use this opportunity to talk about 3 things that you learned this summer.
You're a little bit of a nightmare when these roles are reversed.
Okay.
3 things we learned. The first is mulch makes a difference. So mulch, buy mulch, like the organic kind, the legitimate kind. Mulch makes a huge difference. So the pumpkins that are doing really well have like at least 2 inches of mulch. These sad guys right here,
They're sad.
or sad guys and gals, have very little mulch, like very, very little mulch. See? And then I also took the cages off because we had pests. We had specifically bunnies.
Rabbits are the worst in our yard.
They really are. And I'm talking about something here. It's probably really important.
I think Farmer McGregor was totally misunderstood.
I agree.
Peter Rabbit was eating his food.
We should probably
That's
make
Farmer
shirts.
McGregor's food.
I want to make a shirt.
All right.
Team McGregor.
Merch coming soon.
It's coming soon. So
And then these are more of the sad ones that didn't have much mulch.
these are by the ones that have mulch. They're not as sad. They're called Casper. And
They're semi-sad?
They're semi-sad.
All right.
But they also don't have a lot of mulch. So mulch is like super, super, super important.
Okay. As we can see here with the trees.
I was going to say, you're also going to see with the trees.
Yep.
So these 2 beautiful nectarine trees have a ton of mulch around
They've done
them.
awesome.
So well.
Hundreds of nectarines.
Hundreds, yes. Hundreds. So we have like, I would say around the base, like 5 inches of mulch around these. And then...
We make like a bowl, or what do you call that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, basically a bowl.
And it retains the water.
Yep, I bring it back whenever I water, and then I stick the hose there. Watering is also key for these bad boys. So during the summer, I'm now watering 3 times a week, 10 to 15 minutes per tree, because trees want a deep soak. They don't want this shallow stuff.
So here's a guy that does not have a ton of mulch around his base.
No, very little mulch.
And as you can
Very
see,
little
he's
mulch.
not doing great.
Nope, he's not. There's weeds. There's very little mulch. Like, look, yep, stick my finger, nothing. Nothing's there. And this tree is so sad. It also has leaf miner issues. So, I think there's a whole gamut of things that happens when you
But
don't
this
support
apple
it.
tree, all of our apple trees, in fact, has a bunch of mulch.
Tons. Yes,
Yep.
look at all that. tons and tons of mulch.
And a nice little bowl that it's in
Correct.
of mulch.
So the bowl helps to retain the water. The moisture helps, or I guess helps to hold the water. The mulch helps with moisture. Oh, we're also talking about pests on this one, right?
Yep.
So we've had a lot of pests, and I really like these little baskets because they help the plant get strong enough to go. But some of these little pests, I don't know what they are.
So it's in the baby stage, they need this cage
I
to
think
keep them safe
they need protection.
from
Yes.
lizards,
Yes.
rats, mice.
I don't think any rats are doing anything.
Birds.
But yes.
I mean,
Yes.
bunnies, everything eats everything.
Yep. So I bought these little cages, and they're so cute. They have little birdies on them. I really like them.
Huh.
And then these are just the little baskets. They're little, you can get wire or plastic.
And the sizes you can get.
Yep. And we also use
The bags, we've shown these before.
Yes, we've done the
Yeah.
bags before. So I think physical barriers for pests are good. We found out when we were working in the garden today that there's tons of pests on this other side. So I sprayed some neem on it tonight. So
Yep.
hopefully those little bad boys will leave, but they were attacking the cucumber. We also co-plant
And
a
then
lot.
co-planting,
So
is
this
key.
is peppermint, which everyone in the world tells you not to plant in the ground, but we do. We have oregano, we have sage.
Mexican sage. Yep.
And now I'm co-planting. These are the only plants that we purchased. Everything else is from seed. I did some chives, some basil. What else did we get out there? Marigolds, which I can't stand, but
Yeah, but they're good for co-planting.
they're good for co-planting.
There you go.
So we're just gonna roll with it.
That's
So
all
yeah.
right.
So I split the chives in half. Chives will grow. They'll go pretty quickly. So we planted some chives in there today, right next to the squash and next to the cucumbers, and we're hoping that they produce more of the little insect critters.
So it's kind of a three-pronged approach. We've got physical barriers.
Yep.
We've got
Co-planting.
co-planting, yes, but what I was going to say is, sprays like mint spray
Yep.
and neem oil
Yep.
and things of that nature.
Yep.
Right. So it's three different approaches, and you need all three.
Yeah. I think
because
you definitely need all three.
The sprays aren't going to deter every kind of animal at
Nope.
every single phase,
No.
and if it rains, the spray can be diluted, and then it's not as scented.
And honestly, sprays are kind of intense on your plants. So whatever
Yep.
physical barriers that you can do
They
to
can burn
deter,
them. Yep.
whatever co-planting you can
And then
do
the
to just
co-planting is
deter.
always there.
Yep.
So in
Yep.
general, its scent of
Yep.
whatever just kind of keeps the animals away. I don't
Did
like
we say
mint.
basil?
I don't like
I
basil.
think I said basil.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there are the roses.
These are the roses that you planted
it.
earlier.
Yep. Popping up.
So the roses worked. The celosias went,
A lot of the soda
which we'll
went.
see here
Yep.
in a minute.
Some of the dahlias went.
We had dahlias for a little bit.
We
but
still have
they
some in the
are-
back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They're a little tricky, I feel like.
There's I just didn't know what I was doing.
Okay. Well,
So they'll be fine soon.
that'll do it too.
I also put a cage right in there for the cucumbers.
Yep.
Oh no, for the tomato. I
Yep.
put a cage for the
And then
tomato, and then
another
I
cage
put
here.
this huge cage for the 3 cucumbers because you want to have some pickles.
Yes. I
I know.
wanted some little pickling
You're
cucumbers.
very excited about those. So I'm just wrapping the little tendrils that have already grown around the cage so that it knows to climb up. Because cucumbers.
And it knows?
It knows.
Yeah, you just hold its hand and it knows oh, we're going to cross the street now.
No, honestly, they do. Oh, my
I
gosh.
believe you.
These.
The dirt merchants.
Oh.
Yeah. They were in it today.
So today I posted on Instagram a picture of the beautiful playhouse that you built, and then them in the dirt.
Yep.
Okay, so here I'm just showing.
Watering technique.
Yes. The amount of water that I put in the bowl for 10 to 15 minutes. And when it's hot, 90 degrees, 3 times a week, it's going to be the best thing for the trees. That's how they're going to grow.
They're doing better than they've done at any point prior, so.
Yes, definitely. And you're just showing everything now?
Yeah. How much it's changed from the beginning of the video and, when we were planting everything in spring. I mean, it's kind of blown up.
Yep. So, and fall is going to be even better. So I think, reducing pests, managing pests,
Appropriate water.
definitely. Honestly, you just are reducing stress on the poor babies. That's what you're doing in your whole life, right? Just stress reduction. So you're doing the same thing for the plants. What was I doing? Oh,
You're just watering in the stuff that you just
that I did
planted.
plant.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, that's exciting. Look at all that basil coming. I love it. Oh, celosia. I know you're not a fan of celosia.
It's okay.
But
It's
the
growing on
bees
me.
like celosia.
I like it when it has color. Otherwise it just looks like wheat
It's very wispy.
or like a weed.
It's like romantic to
Looks
me.
like the kind of thing that you would normally pull out of your garden.
Well, don't pull these out, okay?
No.
Keep them in. The bees like them too. They
And you
love
were
them.
watering these with your fancy bionic hose, no?
I love the bionic hose and the wand.
Our 7,000th hose this season.
Okay, it's like the 6th of
Oh.
since we bought since we've
Only the
moved,
6th.
since we've moved in, and the other
Well,
ones
this
were
one
cheap.
is allegedly indestructible.
Correct.
I mean, if it breaks, I'm going to call somebody.
We're linking below.
Oh, yeah, I'm going full Karen.
I'm gonna link below. Yeah, so celosia's in the front, cucumbers in the back, roses here, celosia's here, more cucumbers, and the corn. I think the corn's so exciting.
I don't
can't
even
wait.
understand how corn is growing in planter bits.
Oh yeah.
I could see corn like growing in the ground. We grew
No.
corn in the ground last
You
year.
can grow. Oh, what is? Oh, the spider
Yeah, it's a big spider that's just kind of chilling there.
and the bees.
Well, we hope you learned something. We hope you learned something to help in your own garden from our epic fails. Thanks so much for watching, and give us a like, give us a subscribe, send to friends and family. Have a good one.